Oh my god! Here is orange. I want to eat. Hey Fina, what are you doing?
I will eat orange. You want it?
Oh my god, I want an orange too.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Delicious, right?
Right.
I'm gonna try it.
Don't try the peel of an orange.
But why?
You might as well use it for your daily needs.
You're right. I'm gonna make this thing useful.
Let me show you how to make it.
Let's go.
First, prepare the material and tools.
Second, put water in a pan 200 ml.
Third, turn on the stove.
Fourth, input orange skin into the pan.
Fifth, stir and wait for 5 to 10 minutes.
6. If it already, grab the orange skin and remove.
It in the glass.
And finally, put it in the spray. Orange peel can be used to clean the stove dirty and also used to spray pesticides into the pest.